Okay, part 1. So, prove that sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equals to 1. So, gagamitin natin para ma-derive to. So, gagamitin natin Pythagorean theorem. Let's say x and y is the side and the r is the longest side of the right triangle. So, Pythagorean theorem. So, x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared. So, to define or to derive this equation, so, divide natin both sides by r squared. So, r squared. So, next, after ma-divide, rearrange natin yung term. So, umuuna yung y over r. So, pwedeng squared na lang. Plus x over r. Then, plus squared is equals to, pag dinivide to, maging 1. So, y over r is equivalent to sine. Sine. Then, the equivalent of x over r is cosine. The next step is substitute sine to this sa loob ng parentheses. So, sine squared, semi-squared, theta plus cosine squared theta is equals to 1. Number 2. Show that cosecant theta is equals to 1 over sine theta, secant theta is equals to 1 over cosine theta, and cotangent theta is equals to 1 over tangent theta. First breakdown natin. So, 1 over sine. Ang equivalent ng sine is y over r. Then, babalikan natin reciprocal. 1 times, babalikan natin r over y. So, r over y is equivalent to or equal to sine, cosecant theta. Number 2. Secant theta is equals to 1 over cosine theta. So, again, 1 over ang equivalent ng cosine is x over r. Then, the reciprocal is 1 times r over x. So, r over x, or the reciprocal of cosine, is secant. And last is cotangent is equals to 1 over tangent theta. So, 1 over equivalent ng or equal ng tangent is y over x. So, reciprocal 1 times pabalikan rin x over y. Again, so pag ni-multiply, so magiging is x over y or equal to tangent theta. So, next natin, tangent theta is equals to sine theta all over cosine theta. So, equivalent natin ng sine is y over r divided by equivalent ng cosine is x over r. So, reciprocal natin. So, remain yung y over r. Multiply. Balikan rin natin. So, maging ito, r over x. So, cancel natin. So, ang equivalent na ito, times natin. So, y over x. So, ang y over x is equivalent to tangent theta. So, tama. So, the part 2 is the sum and difference identity. So, the sum of angle identity. So, gamitin natin sine times a plus b is equals to sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. So, pag sin natin, sin cos cosine. So, to simplify this expression, sin times 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Again, so i-add muna natin sin plus 45 plus 30 is equals to 75 degrees. So, sin 75 degrees is equals to sin 45 plus 35 degrees. Ito yung A, ito yung B. Again, so pag sin sum and difference, sin cos cosine. So sin, let's say ito yung A is 45, cos is 30, then plus, pag sa sin is plus, again similar din or same. Cos A is 45 and sin is 30. Then equal, the equivalent of sin 45 is square root of 2 over 2 times equivalent of cosine 30 is square root of 3 over 2 plus equal of cosine 45 is square root of 2 over 2 and times sin 30 is equivalent to 1/2. Again, next natin, multiply and multiply. So, square root of 2 times square root of 2, 3 is square root of 6. Then, 2 times 2 is 4. Then, plus square root of 2 plus 1, square root of 2 times 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Then, so, same or similar denominator. So, again, lagay natin 4. Then, copy the square root of 6 plus square root of 2. Okay, number 2. So, difference of angle identity. So, gagamitin natin cosine is equals to A plus A minus B is equals to cos sin sin. So, kapag cosine is cos sin sin. Pag negative is kabaligtaran is positive. So, cosine A, cosine B plus sin A, sin B. So, to simplify this expression, so, cosine times 60 degrees minus 45 degrees. So, minus muna natin. So, magiging 60 minus 45 is 15. So, cosine 45 degrees equals to cosine 60 degrees minus 45 degrees. So, ang 60 is A, to B. Okay, substitute lang natin and A and B. So, cos sin sin. So, so A is 60 and cos ulit is 45 degrees. Plus sin 60 degrees times sin 45 degrees. Again, so meron tayong equivalent ng mga angle na to. So, cosine 60 is equivalent to 1/2. Then, cosine 45 is equivalent to square root of 2 over 2. So, plus sin, ang sin is 60 is equivalent to square root of 3 over 2. And sin 45 is square root of 2 over 2. So, again, multiply. So, 1 times square root of 2, square root of 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus, square root of 3 times square root of 2 is square root of 6. 2 times 2 is equals 4. Similar denominator. So, copy lang. And square root of 2 plus square root of 6. Okay, part 3 na tayo. Double angle identities. So, use this identity. Sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta cosine theta. To simplify the following expression. So, the expression is sine times 2 times 30 degrees. So, times muna natin, sine 2 times 30 is 60. So, copy natin, baba. Sine 60 is equivalent to, so, 2 times sine. So, ang theta natin is 30. Bakit? Kasi dito, sa equation. So, 30 lagay natin. Then, cosine 30. Sine 60 equal to 2 times. So, ang sine 30 is equivalent to 1/2. And cosine 30 is equal to square root of 3/2. So, may hidden na dito. Mayroong invisible 1. So, cancel. To cancel. Ang natira is square root of 3/2. So, this is the answer. Okay. Again, number 2. Use identity. Cosine 2 theta is equals to cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. So, to simplify this expression, cosine times 2 times 60. So, multiply muna natin. So, cos equals to 2 times 60 is 120. So, napin na natin yung theta. So, ang theta natin is 60. So, 60 degrees. Bababa natin, cosine 120. Substitute lang natin. So, cosine muna. So, cosine 60. Then, minus sine 60. Again, equivalent of sine 60 is 1/2. Tapos, may squared natin. Squared pala. So, minus sine 60 is equivalent to square root of 3/2 squared. So, 1/2 squared is equivalent to 1/4. Minus square root of 3/2 squared is 3/4. So, similar fraction. Baba natin yung, copy natin yung 4 sa denominator. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So, this is the answer. Okay, part 4. So, to use this identity, sine times theta over 2 is equals to positive negative square root of 1 plus cosine theta over 2. So, to find this equation, these expressions, sine times 45 degrees over 2. Okay. So, first, divide natin. So, 45 divided by 2 is equals to 22.5 degrees. So, since sine ito, nasa first quadrant to. So, magiging, natin 1 plus cosine. So, ang theta natin, since ito, makikita natin, sine times theta over 2. So, ang theta natin is ito, 45 degrees. So, 45 degrees over 2. So, multiply. So, square root of 1 minus, so, yung cosine 45 is equivalent to square root of 2 over 2. So, 2 yan. Divided by 2. Next, so, times natin sa both sides, 2 over 2. So, 2 over 2. 2 over 2. Then, multiply. Then, cancel natin sa baba. Yan, cancel. So, sa natin, square root of, magiging 2 yun, 2, minus, so, minus, so, magiging natira square root of 2, square root of 2, minus, square root of 2, divided by, 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Again, ito, to simplify, so magiging 2 minus square root of 2 over 2. So, this is the final answer. Okay, last. So, to use this identity, cosine times theta over 2 is equals to positive negative square root of 1 plus cosine theta over 2. So, to find this expression, cosine times 90 degrees over 2. So, the first step is divide this equation. So, 90 divided by 2 is 45 degrees. Again, so, again, positive. So, positive 1 plus cosine. So, the theta is this 90. So, 90 degrees. Bakit? So, makita natin sa equation, cosine theta over 2. So, dito theta. So, maging 90 degrees over 2. Say, so, 1 plus the cosine 90 is equal to 0. So, 0 over 2. Then again, square root of 1 over 2. Then, so, pag-iwalay natin, square root of 1 over square root of 2. Let's say, ito yung square root of 1 is equals to 1. So, square root of 2. So, square root of 1 over square root of 2. So, ayun nga. Sabi na bawal na may square root ang denominator. So, multiply natin to rationalize the denominator. So, square root of 2 over square root of 2. So, equals, so magiging square root of 2. So, matatanggal to. Then, over 2. So, this is the answer.